Yes, you read that right, because I just found a property that you can buy for $175,000 in KL. Well, technically not in KL, it's about half an hour from KL. And this is a place a lot of foreigners don't even know exists, because this place, what I'm talking about, is called Genting Highlands. Now, Genting Highlands is about 30 to 40 minutes away from the KL city centre, and it's in the state of Pahang. So the minimum property purchase price for foreigners in Pahang is also 1 million ringgit, the same as KL. However, this particular project or property developer has gotten special approval or exemption from that 1 million price point. So you only need to spend 700,000 ringgit. And I've double checked, you can also buy this for MM2H. Okay, so I'm here in Genting Highlands. Now, we are not at the top of Genting Highlands, we are at the middle part of Genting Highlands. We call it Gotong Jaya. Now, Gotong Jaya, there's a lot of shops, there's a few other condos as well nearby. However, this particular project has that special exemption, and I'm actually talking about Tropicana WindCity. That's where I am today. Because after doing a lot of research, trying to figure out where foreigners can buy below 1 million ringgit around KL, this is the one that popped out. They just launched about last year, I think. Right now, I'm here, I just spoke to some of them. I'm going to go and find out more about the project before I film this video. Alright, I'll get back to you guys in a while. But for you guys, it's like 5 seconds. There's an entire master plan going on here, but we're not going to focus on the entire master plan for now. What we're going to focus on is that $175,000 property. That's what we're going to focus on. And that is located on the way going up to Genting, right here. Let me show you guys. So the name of the property is called Twin Pines, and there's about a few hundred units. There's 2 towers. It's secluded and one side of the mountain, super nice. You get the whole backdrop of Genting as well as the mountains and the whole cool breeze of the entire place. The whole point here is $175,000 gets you a property here, and this is only going to complete in the next 3 to 4 years, which means you don't have to fork out the whole $175,000 right now. You just basically pay it bit by bit, like 10% every few months, so it's easier on yourself. So this is the entire master plan project. For those of you who don't know, Genting Highlands is a city on the peak of a mountain. There is a theme park, there is Malaysia's only casino, there are 5-star, 6-star hotels, there are so many different malls, there's so many different things to do. Locals love this place, and it's like about, I think, 6,000 feet above sea level. So this is where a lot of locals all from KL and all over Malaysia come over here for the weekend or spend a week, 2 weeks, and then go back. So it's a very nice short getaway. That's why they're building a lot of development here, because there's a lot of demand. So one of it is Twin Pines. This is Twin Pines. I'm just going to put the details on screen. There's probably like a few hundred units. They just launched. I think there's 20 or 30% sold. So yeah, a lot of people are buying for MM2H as well. There's a few types, but I want to show you guys the cheapest one, the 2 bedrooms that has everything. So this is the unit. It's about 700 to 750 square feet. It's about 1,000 ringgit per square feet. And yeah, I forgot to mention, it's freehold. For those of you who's crazy about freehold, this is a freehold project. Now, what you see is what you get, because for $175,000, not only do you get a freehold project in Genting, you also get it fully furnished. As soon as you get your keys, you are ready to rent it out. You don't have to worry about looking for another person to come and renovate your unit, right? So right, as soon as you come in, this is about 700 square feet, 2 bedrooms, dining table, hall, kitchen on one side. What you see is what you get. You get air conditioning as well. However, you don't need air conditioning in Genting. Comes with the balcony as well. Then you come to the first bedroom on this side, guest toilet this side. Then you come into the master bedroom. And the master bedroom comes with a nice, fancy toilet. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys the other options you have. You don't have to buy in Penang, in JB, in other places. You can buy in Genting, which is literally 30 minutes from KL. So you can also buy this just to meet the minimum criteria You can buy this as your second home. You can buy this as an investment opportunity because you are allowed to do Airbnb by yourself. You also can pass the unit over to them. I think it's called T-Journey. T-Journey is basically their app. They are the operators that they will be handling everything for you. You'll be able to see when your unit is occupied, when it's not occupied, when you can go in and stay. It's like a really cool app. Yeah, I think something investors would really like this. It's called T-Journey. It's by the Tropicana developer. So this is one more option for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing a property for investment or either for MM2H. So if you guys are interested, scan the QR code. Let me know that you guys are interested in this project, Twin Pines, and I'll pass you over to the respective agent, which they work directly for the developer. Alright, don't engage to random agents because you never know if they are going to be a scam. A lot of you have already messaged me about this, so I'm doing this as a favor to you guys so you guys don't get scammed. Alright, scan the QR code, link is in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.